Yo, what is up you guys? It is Ellery. Welcome back to another video. So today is a pretty wild day. And you know why that is? The answer is you don't. So I'm actually really tired right now. Kind of feel like taking a nap, like high key, or like just going to bed entirely. I mean, like it's like not even 7 o'clock yet, but I'm feeling it, okay? Like I want to go to bed. However, today is a monumental day because I have finally reunited myself with something that I have desperately longed for many, many months. And that thing is a monitor. Look, it's here. I got a monitor. And you might be asking, Ellery, why do you need a monitor? For those of you unaware, for many, 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 many months, I have been streaming with this ugly, ugly thing. So now, on this day, the 17th of September, 2018, I am unboxing something that I need in my life. Hey, all you kids watching at home, do not try this at home. Do not be a fool. In this clip, I'm being really stupid. I'm cutting towards my eye. Don't do that. Don't say I didn't warn you either. I like how I'm just like trying to, ow. I'm like trying to cut this. There's tape on here, guys. It's to say that it's Acer certified. For those of y'all who care about what monitor I have for whatever reason, I currently, well now, as of this video, have an Acer SA230 series 23-inch IPS display. Pretty lit. There's one. I don't think I'm supposed to open it like, I don't know. This is a really weird box, dude. I don't think I'm supposed to hold it horizontally, which is why I'm doing it all vertical and weird like this. So don't complain in the comments below. Now we're getting into the tabs, y'all. We gotta clonk, clonk, and open it up. Okay, there's styrofoam in here. There's styrofoam in here. One second, I'm gonna relocate to the desk. Alright. I probably should have been over here from the beginning, but I'm doing my best. I don't know how to open this. Liz, help. Ah! I don't understand this. Alright, that was a heck of a mess. I don't even know how I safely got it out. Maybe I broke it already. Who knows? Who knows? First thing out of the box we have is a little base to put the monitor on, because you gotta do that. We have a power cord. How delightful. We have a RGB cable. Oh my goodness. It doesn't say what this is on here at all, but I'll probably figure it out. This is another thing that I don't know what it is, but I'll probably figure it out. And a manual. Now, I want you all to ready yourselves. The greatest moment of all time. Wah! Okay, this is a little whack. This is wow. Okay. BRB while I read the manual real fast.
A few moments later.
So, according to this manual, I'm actually an idiot. And the base is already on the monitor, so like I don't need to do anything. Woo, styrofoam. I love global warming. We're all gonna die. Ooh, what? Where is it? This is so thin. Why is it so thin? Why is it like that? I don't know what's going on. Go away. Go away, styrofoam. Goodbye. Okay. Where do I find the opening? Oh, here it is. How lovely. Whasham. Okay. Here's the screen. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Now here's the base. Probably should have taken it out of the plastic first. I'm gonna hold this in my lap. This is the plan. The plan. Ugh. This is how we... No fucking way. Fuck my life.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so actually I'm a big doofus. I didn't do anything wrong. I like dropped the base on the monitor for like from a little height, and it scratched the monitor and I had a big freak out about it, and I actually just like rubbed it a little with my finger and it buffed out, so we're okay. Hopefully it'll be okay when I turn it on. Alright guys, it's time for the big moment. Oh dang, why does it feel loose? I don't like that. Why is it loose? Foot loose. Foot loose. I guess it's not loose. We did it. Alright, so now that we got the nice monitor out, we're gonna say our final goodbye to this ugly, ugly, ugly monitor that has caused me so much pain. And now, my friends, we shall have a moment of silence for this monitor. This god-awful monitor that I streamed on for months on end that will finally be gone.